Remember when a man was a man, not a product or a title or a brand. Now everything's changing, these people aren't real and we have no heroes. They're back in the middle, they don't say what they mean, they don't do what they say, they won't stand here. And all I smell is smoke when I step outside, and the mountains keep crying.
Hey yo, welcome to the better days, it's finally time. I don't know, well, in the rest of Europe there was a very cold front, 12 days, very cold, minus 12, minus 15 on the boat, Celsius. So I could not work on that. Everything I did was very cold on my hands, so I quit it for 14 days, and then today we started together with a friend. Like you see, it's pretty basic again. First I was starting ripping out one piece of the floor, and eventually, I was sick of it. I ripped out the entire floor edge. And where down we go. Better to do everything new again, and don't worry about that in the last or the next 5 years. So I ripped out all the floor, insulated the whole boat. Whoa, you let your feet run wild. And eventually I started to repair the floor, because you need the floor. And now the base plan is just building it up step by step. First loop. Oh, cause they will run you down to the door. Yeah, someday we'll run you down till you fall. And when it's all fitting together, then make it in one piece. When I was at it, I was also thinking about the finishing touches, and I had some PVC and some laminate I can use. I would use laminate to finish up the roof and the PVC to do the floors. First build, second try, maybe third one. Now we're gonna see if eventually everything I had in my head is gonna work. Then in the blink of a heartbeat, remember what you got stashed in the car seat. We don't want a situation getting nasty. I ain't gonna say nothing if they ask me, but can you really trust me? Can I trust you? You don't even have to ask or beat around the bush. Stop pulling up my past, man, you must do. Cause if you ain't got my back, I'll have to crush you. No sidekicks here, no wingmen, no feelings either. Keep him busy. And we're up real early like the bin men, and we're gonna do a thing. Are you in then? Yeah, that was just drifting by my boat, so I just needed to pick it out with the water. And I got some extra wood found near 2mm wide. I can use it. Yeah, always handy, thank you.